Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by launching Ubisoft Connect and locating Rainbow Six Siege. Install now if you haven't. While it downloads, sign into the same Ubisoft account you'll use for progression so your profile syncs. Make sure your PC meets minimum specs, GPU, 8 GB RAM, and free disk space, because performance affects aiming and frame stability. Once done, verify files via the client to prevent corrupt install issues, and then open the game to reach the main menu and proceed to settings. You'll next tune inputs and visuals for consistent play. Set your mouse DPI and match it with in-game sensitivity so muscle memory develops. Small changes matter. Customize keybinds for gadgets, melee, and leaning so your hands don't fumble in clutch moments. Adjust FOV and graphics to hit your target FPS. Lower some settings if you need steadier frames. Once these are stable, practice in Terrorist Hunt or Training Ground to lock in aim and movement before jumping into Ranked. You finish by testing communication and accessibility so you can callouts and coordinate with your team. Enable voice comms, test your mic, and set push-to-talk if needed. Make sure volumes are balanced. Bind quick gadget selection and rehearse typical rotations in a custom match. If the game crashes or you get network errors, verify game files, update GPU drivers, and run Ubisoft Connect as administrator. If performance is poor, lower texture/detail or check background apps.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.